Welcome 4th standard children. I am here before you to take a new lesson. That is the 4th lesson. The tiger gets a fright. That is the lesson. Now in this lesson, you will come across a story that frightens a tiger. Usually we get frightened, isn't it, when we see a tiger? But here the tiger gets frightened by seeing one thing. Now we'll read the lesson and we'll find out what frightens a tiger in this lesson. And a little humor also. Humor means a little funny, this story is. Now the tiger gets a fright. This is a folk tale from Korea. Now Korea, southeast. It's a southeast country in Asia. Asian country than Korea. China east Korea. So this is a tale. Tale means story. I told you in the last class, I told you two types of tale are there. One is T-A-I-L, Walu Walu, and the other one is T-A-L-E. This tale means story. So here this is a folk tale from Korea. A big tiger lived in the forest. One day he decided to visit a village in search of food. Now in the TV and all you can see one tiger entered the village, one bear entered the village. Why they are entering the village? In search of food. They might not be seeing food in the forest. That's the animals also need food, no. So we can't blame the animals. They entered the village. So in the television you can see tiger. So here also one tiger entering the village. Why the tiger entered the village? The forest the village enter. Why? In search of food, because it is feeling hungry. We human beings also, why we are working? For food, isn't it? So the animals also, what they are searching? For food. So same way here, one day he decided to visit a village in search of food. Now we'll read this. Now in this picture, you can see a grandmother, a boy, and the tiger there. Now once upon a time, there was a tiger. He lived in the faraway forest of Korea. Korea നടന്ന സംഭവമാണ് ഈ സ്റ്റോറി പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ കൊറിയത്തെ ഒരു ഫോറസ്റ്റിലായിരുന്നു this tiger, faraway forest. One day the tiger was prowling the forest. So prowling the forest. Prowling means what? Search of prey. അതിൻ്റെ ഇര തേടി. അപ്പോൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഈ ആനിമൽസ് ഒക്കെ ഇരേനെ തേടി നടക്കുക? പതുക്കെ ശബ്ദമില്ലാതെ ഇങ്ങനെ പതുങ്ങി പതുങ്ങി നടക്കുക. That's what prowling the forest. Now did you all see the cat? When a cat sees a squirrel or a bird and all, how the cat is approaching the prey? അത് പതുക്കെ പതുക്കെ ഒച്ചടാക്കാതെ ഇങ്ങനെ മുന്നോട്ടേക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ നീങ്ങുക. അങ്ങനെയാണ് the tiger. That's what prowling the forest. കണ്ടോ? Now you know the tiger belongs to the cat family. Prowling the forest. He was hungry. He was hungry and looking for food and would have loved a nice juicy deer. Kanda? Appo tiger ndekke mansil endha nice deer, juicy deer okke. Ningal endayirikkum aagrahikka? Your children, when you are hungry and all, what you will be imagining? Nice chicken fry. Angenekke ningal chindikka alle. But the tiger, what? The tiger's loving a nice juicy deer. But the tiger found no prey in the forest that day. But forest lo onnu deer na polum kaananilla, nothing. So he wandered into the village. Angane kaadil ninnu village like out kadannu. For what? In search of food. At the edge of the forest, അതായത് ഫോറസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ ആ വക്കത്ത് edge, there is a village. ആ വില്ലേജിലേക്കാണ് കടന്നത്. As the tiger was passing by a house, passing, അങ്ങനെ ഒരു വീടിനെ കടന്നു പോവുക, passing by a house, he heard a little boy crying. കണ്ട, ഒരു കുട്ടി കരയുന്ന ശബ്ദം. He heard a little boy crying. The boy sounded very upset about something. Upset, worried about something. The tiger thought he had finally found food. Why the tiger thought that he finally found food? ആ ബോയിൻ്റെ കരച്ചിൽ കേട്ടപ്പോൾ at least one boy is there for me to eat. കണ്ടോ, ഈ ടൈഗേഴ്സൊക്കെ എന്താണ് ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നത്? ഹ്യൂമൻ ബീയിങ്സിനെയും മറ്റേ ആനിമൽസിനൊക്കെ അല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ബോയിൻ്റെ ക്രൈ കേട്ടപ്പോൾ ടൈഗർ എന്താ വിചാരിച്ചത്? I finally found food. He slipped in through the gate. അപ്പോൾ ആ വീടിന് മുന്നിൽ ഒരു ഗേറ്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. He slipped, അതുകൂടെ he slipped in through the gate. He padded into the courtyard quietly. Padded, കണ്ടോ, here padded, padded. Padded means silently without making noise. He padded into the courtyard. Courtyard means മുറ്റം. മുറ്റത്തിനൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ courtyard എന്ന് പറയാം. Courtyard quietly and crouched outside the window. Crouch ചെയ്ത് അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നു. There he sat silently on his haunches. കണ്ടോ, haunches, you all see the dog and all sitting like this way. ആ മുന്നത്തെ കാലിങ്ങനെ വെച്ചിട്ട് ബാക്കത്തെ കാലിങ്ങനെ താഴോട്ടേക്ക് വെച്ചിട്ട്, that's what haunches. കണ്ടോ, he silently on his haunches. Then as he was about to spring, here means spring means not season. നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് സ്പ്രിംഗ്, ഓട്ടം, സമ്മർ, വിന്റർ. ഇവിടെ സ്പ്രിംഗ് മീൻസ് ടു ജംപ്. കണ്ടോ, ഈ ഇരേനെ കണ്ടാൽ അതിങ്ങനെ ചാടാനുള്ള ഒരു തയ്യാറെടുപ്പിന് ഇങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുക. There he was about to spring, to jump. He heard the boy's grandmother talking to him. ആ കരയുന്ന ബോയിനോട് grandmother talking. She said, hush, kanda, hush, don't cry so loudly. The nasty striped tiger will come and get you. അപ്പോൾ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദർക്കും അറിയാം തൊട്ടടുത്ത് തന്നെയാ കാട്, ഫോറസ്റ്റ്, അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് ഒരു ടൈഗർ ഉണ്ട് എന്ന്. അതാണ് ഗ്രാൻഡ് മദർ ബോയിനോട് പറയുന്നത്. The nasty striped tiger will come and get you. നിന്നെ വന്ന് പിടിക്കും. Will come and get you. This surprised the tiger. അപ്പോൾ ടൈഗർ ഇത് കേട്ടിങ്ങനെ സർപ്രൈസ്. അപ്പോൾ ടൈഗർ എന്താ വിചാരിക്കുന്നുണ്ടാവുക? Did the grandmother see me? Did she see me? That's why she's telling to the boy that the tiger will get you. He thought, really, did the grandmother see the tiger? No, grandmother പറഞ്ഞതാണ്. He thought he had crept in very quietly. Surely no one could have heard him. ഞാൻ പതുക്കില്ല വന്നത്, ആരും കാണാൻ സാധ്യതയില്ലല്ലോ. But why the grandmother is telling about me? He thought he had crept in very quietly. Surely no one could have heard him. കണ്ടോ, ആരും കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടാവില്ല. But it seemed that the boy's grandmother had. കണ്ടോ, but it seemed the boy's grandmother had seen me. അതാണ് ടൈഗർ വിചാരിക്കുന്നത്. When the grandmother told about the tiger, the little boy, however, paid no attention. ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് the grandmother is telling the tiger's there, he'll come and get you. ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് the boy did not listen. He went on crying. The little boy, however, paid no attention to his grandmother. He continued to wail loudly. Wail means cry. Cry loudly. The grandmother then said, now little one, do stop crying. See, I have a dried persimmon here. Kanda, persimmon. Persimmon is an orange fruit. It's very tasty. അത് നല്ല മധുരമുള്ള ഫ്രൂട്ടാണ്. വെരി ടേസ്റ്റി ഫ്രൂട്ട്, ഓറഞ്ച് കളർ. So she's telling that boy, see, I have a dried persimmon here. So persimmon means the boy loved very much. The child stopped crying at once. കണ്ടോ, അതിനേക്കാളും മുന്നേ, before what did the grandmother tell? There's a tiger, he'll come and get you. Did the boy stop crying? No. But when the grandmother told about the persimmon, there, here one persimmon, you take it, the child stopped crying at once. The tiger was so astonished. Astonished means what? Surprised. Same meaning. Surprised, astonished, amazed. അതൊക്കെ ഒരേ മീനിങ് ആണ്. Astonished that he stopped mid-spring. that he stopped mid-spring. Was surprised. The tiger was surprised. Why? When the grandmother told about the tiger, the child didn't stop crying. But when the grandmother showed him a persimmon, what happened? The child stopped crying at once. That astonished the tiger. The old woman told the boy a tiger would get him, but the boy had paid no heed. Paid no heed means he didn't pay attention, he didn't listen, paid no heed. Yet a dried persimmon stopped his crying at once. Dried persimmon stopped his crying. So this dried persimmon must be something very frightful. But tiger ingane aalokikka, this persimmon must be something very frightful. Endo pedikkunna oru sadhanamanu, reasoned the tiger. I better leave before this dreadful thing catches me. Appo tiger parayunnu, this persimmon might be a dreadful thing. Dreadful nu parnal pedipikkunna oru sadhanam. Dreadful thing catches me, he thought. And he turned around to slip away quietly. He turned round to go away quietly. Why the tiger's leaving off fast? Because he thought that persimmon, it might be a dreadful creature, it will come and catch the tiger. Really, what is a persimmon? Persimmon is a yellow color fruit, and it is very tasty and it is very sweet. The boy liked it very much. That's why the boy stopped crying. But did the tiger know about this? What did the tiger think? The tiger thought this persimmon is a dreadful creature. So in this video, up section 1 I have completed. You all have to read the lesson very well and learn the spelling of these important difficult words. Okay children, thank you.